Imagine Mario and Luigi serving the same spaghetti to McDonald's, Tesla, and Coca-Cola. Nobody feels special, nobody buys. That's what happens when sales reps deliver generic decks and assets with no personalization by industry. Now flip it. AI tailors collateral instantly. A rep selects retail or automotive, and AI fills the deck with the right case studies and stats. Sonic sells to Nike, and the messaging shifts to brand engagement. Selling to Toyota, AI pivots to efficiency and supply chain. And Mario, he doesn't email PDFs. With Moksy.ai, he spins up a microsite personalized for Adidas, sports case studies, ROI tools, and visuals made for their world. Personalization isn't extra, it's expected. Sales Enablement 2.0 makes it automatic. Subscribe now.